backgrounds into real restaurants and schools cooking with real chefs using wholesome ingredients. And it's incredibly exciting because we get these young kids that know nothing about cooking, and they have the opportunity to cook with real chefs that do this as a career.
I like to cook because it's one of my grandma's favorite things, but she passed away, so I want to keep her memory alive. So I want to become a chef for her.
It's a way to just give back to the community, and it's also just really fun. Teaching the kids about our food and our kind of food philosophies, having them cook the ingredients and touch the ingredients and learn about them, I think it's really important, especially at a young age.
We're going to pound this all out. Our hand is going to go on top, and we'll just do like kind of our rocky motion. That's good.
We have a chef in training program, and that's a 6-month training program for young adults that haven't had it easy. And we take them and we actually pair them with a mentor chef, and for 2 days every week for 6 months, they cook alongside the chef, and they learn everything they need to know in order to land a sustainable job in the modern restaurant industry.
She's gonna roll it up.
The goal of all of this is really just to get kids excited about good food. Today we're really estranged from where our food comes from and how to prepare our food, and we just want to get them excited to cook simple meals at home for their families.
Saturday I cook some scrambled eggs for my parents. Cooking just is a nice relaxing activity that you can do.
My real passion in this is nutrition. I truly think that we need to reconnect with what nutrition is and what wholesome ingredients are all about.
Can I hold it?
As long as no one has allergies or anything.
None of this would be possible without the chefs. These chefs are coming from restaurants that are incredibly busy, and they take the time to close their doors to the public and bring in these kids free of charge.
Cooking is a skill set that if you start teaching young, it's something you carry with you for your entire life.
They donate the ingredients, they donate their time, and I think that is one of the most special aspects of what we do. It's truly a community effort.
How good